Well, I got the blade put on. It's a little dark now, as you can tell. But I wanted to show everybody, now that I have it mounted and everything. Let's see here. There we go. Hope this is helpful to somebody that might need the help. My tractor has got, yeah. Okay. I went like third notch down, and then here's what I did there. And then I've got it all the way down right now, but I actually got it to clear better. You cannot hook this thing too high on, because if you do, it hits the linkage here. I mean, it really hits it. So now I've got it to where it does come off the ground higher than it should. I shouldn't say should, but higher than normal, but it does not hit anything. So the hardest part I had was putting these gigantic stupid plastic weights. These things are huge. I've had a couple sets of these, but these ones are pretty heavy. But I end up having to go with 12-inch galvanized bolts because 2 farm stores locally didn't have what I needed. So here's the back side, what I did. Okay, here's the bracketry. You see, I just put some little bolts in there with a lock nut. Nothing fancy. See? And I did put these back. So I hope this is helpful to somebody. Alright, I'll show this side. Yeah, I did a little spray paint job. From afar, it'll look good. Here's this. Here's what I did here. I put a nut behind here. Kind of clear it a little bit better. And then I had to get a new piece of wire. This wire here. The one from the other handle is too short. So, like my fancy handle here, it's Gorilla Tape. So, but anyways, and I got to put a pin in down here. I almost forgot. So, but here's the other side. And everything functions. So, but that's how you do the bracketry there. There's your extension bracket right there. So that's it in a nutshell. Also, I love this light. I've got like 4 of these things. They're pretty nice. They're pretty handy. Peace out, everybody. Hope that video was helpful to anybody putting a blade on a 520 H Wheelhorse. That is a 1993 model. I've looked and I haven't seen anybody that actually had a video, so I thought I would shoot one and try to be helpful.